Would you like to reduce the risk of injury or the risk of exposure of your maintenance team to toxic and aggressive media that could be present in your plant? Let our Klüber lubricators taking these risks instead, and at the same time improving the reliability of some of your components located in remote or hazardous areas of your facility. Klüber Lubrication has a lot more to offer to the chemical industry, including a variety of service like oil condition monitoring, open gear inspection and repair service, complete lube survey and proposal for plant lubrication optimization. We also offer component failure analysis program in order to troubleshoot your recurrent mechanical issues in your plant. We also can initiate a R&D project if you would need a custom product for one of your special applications. Call your local Klüber lubrication specialist now for a free consultation and in order to learn more about Klüber's specific solution for the chemical industry.